Easy. Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby and text it to Luca.
Find it real quick. Send it to the click. Wow, the place is sick.
What's up, my Pungios? Andy with Tech Influence. Excited to go over this case here. This is the Kind Suit case here from the folks at Samsung, and they usually come out with one of these cases. This is one among them for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's all plastic. It's a faux looking leather Kind Suit. I couldn't find any reason why they named it Kind Suit. Every single listing just said that it was made out of plastic. I opted into the camel color. They have 3 other colors, and I think this is kind of one of those things that Samsung does when they launch these phones. Let's go and unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you why you shouldn't opt into this case. All right, the Kind Suit here, it's kind of an odd decision from Samsung as we open it up. The case is made of material that can be recycled, which is nice. Apparently this is made out of recycled material as well. It is this faux leather that almost feels silicone in nature. As you can see, it does have a grain and is supposed to mock like a vegan leather or a full grain leather. It does wrap all the way around the edges and it is glued onto the inside. It does have this nice microfiber lining on the inside and a polymer core there as well. But unfortunately, this is, from all of my research at the time of this video, this is made out of plastic. It is a plastic leather variant. It's not like cactus leather or some of those other substitutes. It's not even a vegan leather, which would be better than this. You do have a metallic little edge here, that ring that does protect the lenses. It is a little bit sharp on the edges, so I'd be careful of that. They do have the punch outs there for the I/O, the other parts of the phone, as well as the cutout for the S Pen. Let's go and throw in my white phone. As you can see, the white titanium looks great, at least for this camel color. I like the grain. It doesn't smell like anything. They do have an anodized aluminum button here to give you that quality, that luxury, but it doesn't feel necessarily like leather, although it's trying to mimic it. There is no MagSafe capability here. As you saw on the case, it doesn't allow to be able to attach to MagSafe or Qi2 charging devices, although if you set it on a pad, it will still charge wirelessly, but it won't connect to it magnetically. With that said, as I demonstrated here, it's got really cool grain. It does smell like leather, but from all of my research here, they are not suggesting that it is leather infused. This is plastic, and from what it seems like, this is one of those gimmicks like Apple did with the fine woven to be able to show that they are environmentally friendly. This is probably used from recycled plastics, although it does look really cool with that shine here in the light.